Ever wondered why stem cells are so essential to our bodies? These tiny powerhouses are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. They divide to form more cells, which are either new stem cells or specialized ones. These might be blood cells, brain cells, heart muscle cells, or bone cells. No other cell in the body has the natural ability to generate new types of cells like stem cells. But what if we could aid this process? What if we could boost our stem cell repair? First on the list is blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants that can protect the body's cells from damage. They also contain bioactive compounds that can enhance stem cell regeneration. Next up is green tea. This popular beverage is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can protect the stem cells from damage and aid in their repair. Third, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is known to encourage stem cell regeneration. Fourth comes turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has been shown to support the production of brain and neural stem cells. Fifth, consider adding more fish to your diet. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can also support stem cell growth. Sixth on the list is spirulina. This blue-green algae is a superfood that can boost stem cell genesis and regeneration. Seventh, we have ginger. This root is not just for flavoring food. It contains bioactive compounds that can protect and stimulate the growth of stem cells. Eighth, don't forget about garlic. This potent herb contains allicin, a compound that can protect stem cells and aid in their repair. Ninth, we have broccoli. This green veggie is a powerhouse of antioxidants and is also rich in sulforaphane, a compound that can enhance the body's stem cells. And finally, 10th, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate is not only a delightful treat, but also rich in antioxidants that can support stem cell health. Consuming a diet rich in blueberries, green tea, citrus fruits, turmeric, fish, spirulina, ginger, garlic, broccoli, and dark chocolate can aid in stem cell repair and regeneration. These foods are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients and compounds that can boost your body's natural ability to repair and generate new cells. So why not give these foods a try and give your body the support it needs to keep you healthy and vibrant? Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense.